Big Mouth by Oasis is played in standard tuning with no capo. The song starts with a constant eighth note down strumming pattern on an A sus4 chord. Got first finger, second fret the D, second finger, second fret the G, third finger, third fret the B. I'm going to play from the A string down, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... The main riff for the song is based around an A, D, C, G and F. For the A we're going to play open A string, second fret the D, second fret the G, play this 3 times. Then to our D chord, it's like a standard D chord, we're just going to leave the high E string out completely. Play open D, second fret the G, third fret the B, just play that once, so A, D, then we're going to go to the top part of a C chord, just going to play third fret on the A, second fret on the D, open G, so A, D, C, we're then going to move the fingers for the C chord up a string set to third fret on the low E and second fret on the A. I'm going to play 1, then 3. So 1 hit and then 3. Okay, so A, 3 hits, D1, C1, G1, G3. Slowly so far we have the A, D, C and the G. And again A, D, C, G. The final chord we're going to play is an F chord. So here I've got the third finger on the third fret of the A string, pinky finger third fret of the D, second finger second fret of the G, and the first finger on the first fret of the B string. These are the only strings we need to hear. I'm going to strum 1 and 2 and down, down, and that will finish off the main riff there. So A, D, C, G, and then the F. So the whole thing slowly is A, D, C, G, and then the F. For the bridge section, we're going to sit on the F chord for 2 bars and we'll strum down, down, up, down, up, down. One more time, F, down, down. To our G chord, down, down, up, down, down, same as for the F. Back to the F chord again, down, down, up, down, down. We're then actually going to go to an E minor 7, which is like an alternative or a substitute chord for the G. So for the E minor part there, we've got a standard E minor with the third finger on the third fret of the B string, making it the minor 7 there. We've got to strum down, down, up, and then we'll swap for the next up strum to the G chord, and then up, down. Okay, so E minor, down, down, up, G, up, down. So for the whole bridge slowly, we have the F, to the G, also a fantastic little riff on top here too. Starts off with an open B, going to first fret, grabbing third fret on the high E, back to 1 on the B and open. Then going to grab first fret on the B again, back to third fret on the high E, then 1, open on the B. That just repeats. Good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. Make sure you subscribe for future content. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.